So my saw blade's taking a little while to get through wood, and the edges are just not quite as straight as they used to be. Not quite as clean either. So I've decided that it's about time to change out the old blade here. I got one of these Diablo blades. A lot of people have told me that these are pretty good, so I'm going to try to switch this out with the original and see how that works. So the very first thing we always want to do is to disconnect our battery here, because we don't want a power source coming through that can actually turn the blade while we're working on it. If you have a corded one, you just want to unplug that. Take your Allen key out here, it's stored in the back, or you get yourself an Allen wrench here and use this. Here is actually reverse threaded, so you're going to go counter clockwise to loosen the normal bolt. This you're going to go clockwise to actually loosen it, because like I said, it's reverse threaded. So this button right here, that's our blade lock, and that's what I'm going to be engaging. See that? Now the blade isn't able to turn, so whoop, and we loosen it. This pops out. This little bushing piece, just remember the writing right here, that's the one that goes on last. Easy. This part here, what you want to do is this. Little 3-in-1, you want to drop it right here, give it a little lubricant, and since you don't want to over lubricate it, you just want a little bit on there. Take yourself a shop rag and just kind of clean that off a little bit, just like that. Now you take your bushing, put it right in place. Your blade, lift up your blade guard, slip it right on into place. Drop your blade guard back down. Come over here, grab it, make sure your writing is facing out. Find a little notch that it goes into. There you go. And then make sure we're not tightening it this way, we're going this way to tighten it. And grab your blade lock in the back here one more time. And there it is. Make sure you put your gloves on, always, even if you're just messing around on YouTube. Battery. Throw our battery back in place, and we're actually going to use our carpenter's square to guide this as we cut. Let's see. Oh wow, that's just beautiful. Whoa, that's a big difference. The old one, see that? Versus new one. See how perfect that is? Oh, it's so nice and flat versus this. You can feel the grain. Oh, love it. That's how you change your blade.